Good morning, this is Trevor. Today we're working on file upload vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is web shell upload via race condition. Image upload function. We are going to bypass the validation, exploiting a race condition that processes in the way it processes them. So it's PHP, exfiltrate the contents, submit the secret. We have our credentials, and there's a hint. Vulnerable code that introduces this risk is as follows. Temporary move. Temp name. Target file. This is files. Avatar. Temp name. Move upload. Let's check this. Move uploaded file. We don't know that function. If and file HTML target file has been uploaded, else unlink check file type, string to lower. Type equals string to lower, path info, file name, comma, path info and extension. If it's not JPG or PNG, only those are allowed. So I wish we knew this. Files, avatar. This looks like it's part of the object that gets uploaded. Target file, target dir, and name. Oh, right here. So we go avatar and then so it'll be in this avatar's directory until either this succeeded or fails. If it succeeds, it stays there. And if it fails, it gets deleted. Target dir is avatars. All right, cool. So I think we can get this. I'll go ahead and open the lab. I should have done that before so we didn't have to wait. But, all right. So avatar and then the file name. So it's going to be right there in the avatar/file name. Let's log in. Wiener Peter. And let's upload home courses, Web Security Academy, file upload. I think one of these are fine. I don't remember which one though. I know D's not, right? So if D's not, maybe C is fine, or B. Let's try B. Upload. Okay, so here's the directory, and it stays there. So let's go proxy HTTP history. We want post. This one, send to repeater. And here's the thing. So let's try uploading a PHP file. And what I want to check is if we get it uploaded or if we get this. Let's go. Browse. Sorry, only JPG. Sorry, there's an upload error. So let's see where that. Sorry, only. So it checked. So we got to here. And then it went here. Right? Sweet. Okay, so because it's a race condition, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to beat this line of code from happening. So we're going to upload it and try to access it before this line happens. Which means I don't know if we can use request library unless we can. Let's try it in burp. Okay, so proxy. Here's this post. Send to repeater. We want this one, and we want proxy get. Where's the? Oh, I don't have that, but I have it here. So if I go cmd.php and here, send to repeater. I'm having a hard time figuring out how we're going to do this in code. So I'm going to add tab to group, create tab group, group 1. It's going to be 2 and 3. We will color it green. And we're going to upload it and do this. We're going to send sequence single connections. Let's send this one a couple of times. Send group single connection. Let's try it. Well, I don't know what happened. Let's try it again. Why didn't this connection close during a reset? What? Why is this here? What? What? That's fine. Okay, let's try again. Connection closed. Let's do connection. Isn't it keep open? I don't remember. I swear. HTTP connection header. Keep alive. Damn it. Keep dash alive. We'll see that. Is that? Let's see. connection, whatever. Whatever. All right. How are we going to do this in Python? That's my real question. Copy link. Python utils. Create. We could start sending requests. We could use two processes, right? Or maybe two scripts. One that just constantly uploads, and the other that constantly gets. Could we do it less noisy? Python send to HTTP requests, send them at the same time. This is using threads. We could do threads. G event. We're not doing that. Yeah, let's play around with it at least. So vim web shell upload, web shell. There we go. So we want. I'm gonna open up another window here just so I can. Oh, suck. Oh, dang it. LLRM web shell. I don't want that here. Sorry, give me just a second. I was in the wrong directory when I created it. So give me just a second. Let me clean up. I'm going to get restore info get rm.video. What these two files do, .video names.txt, is that they give me rm.video names. They keep track of their helper scripts for making the video names information. So when I run this thing, I know where I'm at. CD. I want to go to file upload. Okay. Now here, CD file upload. Here, I want to do what I ran there. And then here, I want to run this. Okay. Vim. Web. Shell upload via race condition. Okay. Sorry about that. Clear. Let's look. This is what I was going to do. Here, I'm going to do grep-r concurrent futures. I don't know if I need to remove the. Did I spell it wrong? XSS. We can look in XSS. I do need to remove .band, or I'm going to pick one that I did. I got better at it as I went along, so maybe let's do authentication. Like one of these. Yeah, let's go do an authentication one. And this one. Let's look at this file. So I'm just going to go boom, boom, authentication, 2FA, bypass using, there we go. All right. I did actually use it, yeah, with. So if I do, I'm going to copy this. I want 2 threads. How am I going to do this? I want 2 different types of tasks, right? I don't want like this. I want it continuous until this does and then it shuts down. I mean, I guess we can. Nah. Let's look at some other examples. Get URL. Send multiple HTTP requests to different URLs. I want it over and over. And from I mean, so I could populate the tasks with a bunch. A mix of both. That seems like not the right way. Everything that we're reading has it use concurrent futures or threads, which I guess is right. List of URLs. So it has this one times 10. We want we could okay, how about we do this? What if we create a list of URLs? So we do this. We create our task will be tasks equals a list. So the first one will be a request here. or this post. The second one will be this, and the third. All right. Tasks. So I'm going to do the first one will be a post. I'm just going to try it like this. And the second one will be a get. Third will be a get. All right. Let's define threads. Threads equals, let's do 5. So let's do get. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Let's create a manager. Def manager. So we'll receive the task. And if task equals post, do post, else do get. And then we can return on the get, return. This one will just return none. I mean, we don't even need that. Okay. Def do post pass. Def do get pass. All right. Let me make sure there's no errors. What's the errors here? We need it. We're going to need it in the tasks. So tasks, we'll do a tuple with type and blog for each. We need the blog in the, you'll see. Blog. Okay. Oh. Now here, manager task, if task 0, do this, do post, task 1, do get, task 1, pass through that stuff, blog. Okay. So we pass through blog. Let's write the post. Post is just going to be, we need a session, and then we need this, a file. Okay. Let's look up how we did an upload before. Files. Copy something like this. Let me close this so I don't confuse myself, which happens way too often. Okay. Files equals, we're going to name it avatar. This is the file name. We're going to just name it command. We're going to open. What are we going to open? What do I have it as? Command.php. Read bytes application. That's fine. We don't need to print it. We will need to get the CSRF. So, and we need cookies too. Do we want to pass that stuff through? Because otherwise, yeah, we better. Our tasks are going to be much bigger. Let's create tasks. A dictionary. Type post. blog, CSRF, cookies, something like that. We need, it has to be a list, sorry, and each task to be a dictionary. Whoops. All right. Let's figure out CSRF. So blog.login, Wiener, Peter. This will be resp cookies equals this. The response will probably have the form so we could get the CSRF from the response, right? Let's try it. Where's the, there we go. Oh, of course I don't. Proxy get, yeah. Get my account will have the CSRF. Okay. So CSRF equals res blog.extract CSRF from resp.text print log.info cookies and log.info CSRF, just to make sure that's all set. Session, yep, looks good. Sweet. All right, now we're going to do like this. We're going to manually define the post, and then we are going to programmatically define, add in the gets. So for X in range, let's do 5. So that'll be actually, it should be right, because it'll go 0 up to 5. We're going to define this. I'm going to do tasks.append. Get okay. Task should now be log.info tasks. Post. Get, yeah, looks good. All right. I'm going to delete that one, uncomment this. Got our tasks. Our task call manager. If task equals post, do post with the task, do get with the task. Task 0. Yep, that's right. I can do task type now. Type. Cool. Here, change word will be task. That looks good. Data equals CSRF. Task. CSRF. If, let's define blog right here. Blog equals task blog. The URL is what? this URL. Copy URL 1, 2, 3. URL equals blog dot base URL plus this. Oops. I want to delete all the way to my account. All right. Cookies. I'm going to change it twice, or we can just do cookies equals task cookies. And we do have that, so that's good. Response will return resp. All right, let's try that. See, we're not going to do any gets, but we can at least see if the post works. Post. That looked good, or looks good. File name, avatar. Yep. That's what we want. Okay. Let's do the do get. Let's get, where's that? This copy URL. Let's define the URL. URL equals blog. This is not task. Blog equals task. Blog. Oh, and I better make sure I do cookies too. URL equals blog.base URL plus here to here. Let's do our favorite, who am I? Oh, we need and equals who am I? Or we can just add that. I want to do it with a parameter. Params equals dictionary command who am I? Yeah. Now we don't want this URL. Then we can do blog.get response. We're going to get response URL cookies equals cookies params equals params resp equals this return resp. Let's try that. Make sure no errors happen here. And then we'll go here, post login. Okay, so all of these had a chance. We got it first off. We got it with that's freaking awesome. That's weird. This one, whatever. We got it. That is very cool. All right. What do we need? What's the goal? Exfiltrate the contents of the file. All right. So, do get. Now, how do we don't want this post to return anything. So I'm going to delete this and delete these. The reason I don't want it to return anything is because I'm going to trigger on a return. So on a return text. Well, I guess we don't. Oh, okay. Return resp main. Where do I manager if task do post return do get? Okay. So that will be res equals future result if res dot text is not none. Turn. Oh, this is return res. Oh, we don't return. We need a def. Let's call it a runner. I don't know what we need, but I want to move all of this stuff into it. Let's, what do I want in there? I'll just do blog and then move all of this into it. And num and threads. Runner, blog, threads. Okay. The reason I wanted to do that is so that this returned, and now I can do res equals this if res log.info res.text. All right, let's see if we get I don't see turn res. Log.info res. Let's do type res. Make sure we are actually getting a request response. Carlos, we got it that time. Ah, that's freaking cool. Come on. You gotta love that. If res log.info res text. Cool. I want to be able to control the command from out here. Res runner. Who am I? That's what I want to be able to do. So, I want this to be in quotes, of course. And then, so that means that in runner, I'm going to do the command. I'm going to add the task, not to the post, but to the get CMD, CMD. And then to the get DT there, CMD. Oh, it's task. Okay, so we can do if res. Let's do print here. What I want to know is if we're getting into this if statement, even if we don't return anything. And because we've had a couple of failures I want to just make sure that one nailed it. What the hell? Let's try to get response. So right here, if response dot status code equals 200, then results equals res dot text dot strip, just in case. Return results if that's fine. Return res equals. All right. See if we get it more reliable. The output more reliable is what I mean. Local variable. If. Oh, right here. Sorry. Yeah. We're definitely inside. Okay. Now, the question is res equals that. Is how reliable did we just make it? Does it get Carlos back every time? No, that time it didn't. Hey, but it wasn't our fault. Sweet. All right. So if res, else we'll run it again. Else. And we could loop this, but you know, why? Now let's actually let's solve this now. Exfiltrate the contents of the file. So we need the command what do we want? We want cats, Etsy, or no, home, Carlos. I can't think. Secret, something like that. Is that what we're looking for? Home, Carlos, secret. I could not word. I wasn't able to word. Let's run it twice, just like we did. Cat, home, Carlos, secret, res equals log dot info, whatever. Log dot info, secret, res. Okay. We had to run that second one twice and still didn't get it. Why not? Get my count. Let's go through this. 404. All of these were 404s. All of these were 404s. All right. Let's do while not res. This is real dumb. While not res. Oh, Let's do, we got to reset this. Or we can do it secret, right? Well, not secret. And we'll do secret equals boom, boom. Well, it's not secret equals this if change word secret. We don't need any of this. All right. Let's try that. We'll get the secret this time. Don't make me do my infinite loops. Wait, what? Oh, that's funny. So it took a few times. What if we up the threads? We'll try it after this one. Let's up the threads now. Ah, there we go. Let's try like 8. Because I don't know if it's too early or too late. We'll try 8. Because that sounds like it's going to be the right number. Hey, first try. Looks like we got a winner. All right, now we just need to submit solution. Blog.submit solution secret, or what is it? Yeah, secret. And then blog.is solved. Ooh, this was a fun one. Yeah, I liked it. I do want to look at the solution to see how they did it without Python. Lab is solved. Boom shakalaka. Let's look at the solution, see how they did it. Oh, solve it manually. I want to. Yeah. Oh, this is. I guess we could have done that. Sure. Turbo intruder. Okay. They did it with turbo intruder. All right. Very cool. So in this exploit, we took advantage of a race condition. We were able to do that because we knew what the code looked like to upload a file and then try to reach it before it gets deleted. Once we did that, we were able to extract both the username and the secret, submit those, and solve it. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.